Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we dive into the fascinating places of Turkey. Turkey is a fascinating country where ancient history meets breathtaking landscapes and vibrant culture. Whether you are an adventure seeker, history enthusiast, or nature lover, Turkey has something special for you. From bustling cities to serene natural wonders, this country offers countless attractions that leave visitors in awe. In this video, we will explore the 10 best places to visit in Turkey, each offering a unique experience. 1. Istanbul, the city of two continents. Istanbul is Turkey's most iconic city, uniquely located between Europe and Asia. It is a melting pot of cultures, history, and modern life. One of its most famous landmarks is the Hagia Sophia, an architectural wonder that has served as a church, a mosque, and a museum over the centuries. The Blue Mosque, with its intricate blue tiles and grand domes, is another must-visit site. For history lovers, the Topkapi Palace, the former residence of Ottoman sultans, provides a fascinating glimpse into the empire's past. Istanbul is also home to the Grand Bazaar, one of the oldest and largest covered markets in the world, where you can shop for spices, carpets, and handmade jewelry. 2. Cappadocia, the land of fairy chimneys. Cappadocia is a dreamlike region known for its unique rock formations and underground cities. The landscape, shaped by volcanic activity and erosion, is best viewed from a hot air balloon ride at sunrise, offering a once-in-a-lifetime experience. The Gorim Open Air Museum, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, features ancient rock-cut churches adorned with stunning frescoes. Visitors can also explore underground cities like Derinkuy and Kaymaklı, which were used as hiding places by early Christians. Staying in a cave hotel in Cappadocia adds to the magical experience, allowing you to immerse yourself in the region's rich history and unique environment. 3. Pamukkale, the Cotton Castle. Pamukkale is one of Turkey's most famous natural wonders, known for its stunning white terraces made of travertine. These terraces, filled with warm, mineral-rich water, create a breathtaking scene that looks like a cotton castle. Visitors can walk barefoot on these terraces and even take a dip in the Cleopatra's Pool, an ancient thermal pool believed to have healing properties. The site is also home to the ancient city of Hierapolis, where you can explore well-preserved Roman ruins, including a magnificent theatre and a necropolis. Pamukkale is a perfect destination for those looking to relax and enjoy Turkey's natural beauty. For Ephesus, the ancient Greek city. Ephesus is one of the best-preserved ancient cities in the world and a paradise for history lovers. Once a thriving Greek and Roman city, Ephesus is home to the Temple of Artemis, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. The most famous structure here is the Library of Celsus, an impressive 2-story building that once held thousands of scrolls. Walking through the marble street, you can admire the remains of grand temples, theatres, and ancient baths. The Great Theatre of Ephesus, which could hold up to 25,000 spectators, still stands as a testament to the city's glorious past. 5. Antalya, the Pearl of the Mediterranean. Antalya is a beautiful coastal city known for its stunning beaches, ancient ruins, and vibrant nightlife. The Old Town, Kalechi, is a charming area filled with narrow streets, historic Ottoman houses, and boutique shops. The Hadrian's Gate, built in honor of the Roman Emperor Hadrian, is a must-see landmark. Antalya is also close to some of Turkey's most beautiful beaches, such as Konyaaltı Beach and Lara Beach, where visitors can relax and enjoy the turquoise waters. Adventure seekers can visit Köprülü Canyon for thrilling rafting experiences. 6. Bodrum, the Aegean paradise. Bodrum, Turkey, is a breathtaking destination that perfectly blends history, culture, and natural beauty. Known for its stunning turquoise waters, golden beaches, and vibrant nightlife, Bodrum attracts visitors seeking both relaxation and adventure. The iconic Bodrum Castle, built by the Knights of St. John, offers stunning views and houses the Museum of Underwater Archaeology. History lovers can also explore the ruins of the Mausoleum at Halicarnassus, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. The town's charming marina, lined with luxury yachts, stylish boutiques, and seafood restaurants, creates a lively yet elegant atmosphere. 7. Mount Nemrut, the Throne of the Gods. Mount Nemrut is one of Turkey's most mysterious and awe-inspiring sites. Located in southeastern Turkey, this UNESCO-listed site features colossal stone statues of gods and kings, built by King Antiochus I in the 1st century BC. The best time to visit Mount Nemrut is during sunrise or sunset, when the statues take on a golden hue, creating an unforgettable sight. The site's remote location adds to its mystical atmosphere, making it a must-visit for those interested in ancient civilizations and breathtaking landscapes. 8. Trabzon and Uzungul, the Green Paradise. Trabzon, located on Turkey's Black Sea coast, is a city rich in history and natural beauty. One of its most famous landmarks is the Sumela Monastery, a 4th century monastery built into a cliff, offering spectacular views. A short drive from Trabzon leads to Uzungul, a stunning lake surrounded by lush green mountains. The serene environment and wooden houses give the area a Swiss-like charm, making it a perfect destination for nature lovers and photographers. 9. Troy, the legendary city. Troy, the ancient city made famous by Homer's Iliad, is a fascinating archaeological site in Turkey. The city's ruins, including its ancient walls and a replica of the famous Trojan horse, bring the legendary war to life. Visitors can explore the different layers of the city, dating back thousands of years, and learn about the historical events that shaped this legendary site. A visit to Troy is a must for history enthusiasts and those fascinated by Greek mythology. 10. Göbekli Tepe, the world's oldest temple. Göbekli Tepe is an extraordinary archaeological site that challenges our understanding of early human civilization. Located in southeastern Turkey, this site dates back to 9600 BC, making it the world's oldest known temple. The site consists of massive stone pillars arranged in circles, believed to have been used for religious or ceremonial purposes. The discovery of Göbekli Tepe has reshaped our knowledge of ancient societies, proving that complex religious structures existed long before the invention of agriculture. Turkey is a land of contrasts, where ancient history meets modern culture, and breathtaking landscapes offer unforgettable experiences. Whether you're exploring the vibrant streets of Istanbul, soaring above Cappadocia in a hot air balloon, or walking through the ancient ruins of Ephesus, Turkey has something to captivate every traveler. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel content. Let us know in the comments which place in Turkey you would love to visit.